Today is the day that I need to replace the spark plugs on my car. I have this car for more than 1 year. I drove it. I think I have at least 40,000 miles. At 60 it's recommended to be replaced. I don't remember the previous owner when they replaced the spark plugs. I had the history, but I don't have it anymore. This is a very quick and easy job. First I need to remove the acoustic engine cover, and on this engine I need to disconnect the vacuum lines because I have a vacuum reservoir in the acoustic cover. And this one from here. And from here I have access to the coils and spark plugs. The first thing is to unplug the coils. Last one from here. After that I need to pull out the coils. Cylinder 1, this is cylinder 2, 3, and last one is the fourth one. And so after that I need to pull out the spark plugs. For those I have a special socket with a magnet. This is the cylinder 1. It's not too bad. Next one, cylinder 2. Same, is not too bad. Let's go on cylinder 3. Cylinder 3. Stay there. And last one, cylinder 4. And this is the spark plug for cylinder 4. Let me take all of them together. And I have here the old ones next to the new ones. You can see how big is the gap compared to the new ones. But before I will put the new spark plugs back, I want to vacuum the area. I don't know if you can see, but there is some dust, some dirt inside there. You can see this one also. So I will try to use this vacuum line for my vacuum gauge and this vacuum. And you can see it's working. Now let's see on cylinder number 2. Shiny. Okay, now let's see on cylinder 3 I'm able to see it from here, it's okay, but on cylinder 4 I need to use the mirror. And yeah, it's clean. Nice. Okay, now I can put back the sparks. Start with cylinder 1. Now I will torque it down. .23 Newton meter. It even says here on the box. Okay, next one. Always need to be sure that this magnet won't remain on the spark plug, because from this socket I had a couple of times that almost forget the magnet inside of a spark plug, on a spark plug. Won't be a very big deal, but can push back this rubber from the coil and increase the space. Probably can have misfires, but it's not a big deal. The biggest deal will be that I won't have that magnet anymore, and will be very hard for me to use this tool to replace sparks, especially to retrieve old sparks. Here I need to adjust the length of my tool. And the magnet is here. Now I can put back the ignition coils. And like that, the sparks have been replaced. I need to make sure that the plug is perfectly seated inside of the housing, and the coil the same, it's pushed all the way down. We don't want to have surprises along the way. Everything else seems to be okay here. Next step, put back this sound absorber to reduce the banging of the injection. This type of engine is very noisy from the injectors and high pressure fuel pump.